One of the many nice things about having Markers Plus is that if I see a strategy that I like and I want to code it out and make some indicators so I can visualize that strategy, pretty easy to do once you've got the hang of it. Today I wanted to show you how to code the Rob reversal from Trader Rob. He's got a YouTube site you can check out the details of his strategy, how he's trading it. He says he got it from another YouTube channel, Quant Trade Edge. Check out their website too. I think Rob's made some adjustments to the strategy a little bit, but it's just based on 2 bars. For a short entry, the previous bar is a bullish bar, a green bar, and then for a short entry to trigger, the close of the next candle closes somewhere in the middle of the body of the previous candle. He's also got one more condition. For a short, the price has to close below the 8 EMA, this gold dashed line, and to go long, it's got to close above the 8 EMA. So I've got 2 different strategies coded on this chart. One with the red and green arrows that match his criteria for the reversal strategy, and then another one that's printing these dots, pink and light green, and that's just when we get the close inside the previous candle's body, regardless if it's above or below the 8 EMA. What I've noticed is even if you get one of these signals, another way to trade it would be to take a breakout below the trigger candle or above the trigger candle. We've got a couple of shorts here, but we don't really break below these trigger candles. On this long candle though, we get a break above, nice move up, and on this trigger candle we get a break below, nice move down. He's using this strategy on a 15-minute chart. This is a NASDAQ 1-minute chart. I've also found that the 5-minute chart gives you some pretty good signals. Definitely some fun options to play around with. But let me show you how I used Markers Plus to make this strategy into some signals. And by the way, I think if you just go to his YouTube channel, he's got a Discord, and I think he's already got an indicator coded that he gives away for free. But I just wanted to show you how I coded it and how you can use Markers Plus to code all different kinds of strategies that you might see out and about. So for the short signal, I've got the close of 1 bar ago is greater than the open of 1 bar ago. Here's our first bar. The close is greater than the open, and the close of the current bar is less than the close of the first bar. So here's the first bar, here's the close, here's the current bar. The close of the current bar is less than the close of 1 bar ago. And we want it to be within the body of this first candle. So we also want the close of the current bar to be greater than the open of the first bar, 1 bar ago. And this is for the arrow signals here. We want the close of the current bar to be below the 8 EMA. So this is my 1 markers copy. I've got the 8 EMA as my input. I've named it EM8. So that allows me to put it into the markers logic code as EM8 on the current bar here. So that's for the shorts. And for the longs, all I did was reverse all of these arrows. So the close of 1 bar ago is less than the open, and in the current candle, the close is greater than the close of the previous bar, and it's less than the open of the previous bar. And the close is greater than the 8 EMA. And then for these dots, exact same thing, except I got rid of the EMA condition. The 8 EMA is no longer part of the V logic. And that's it. Now we've got these Rob reversal indicators on our charts. We can play around with them, see what they look like on different time frames, maybe come up with our own strategies and add some rules to make it even better possibly. You can see looking at the 5-minute, we didn't get any official Rob reversal with the red and green arrows, but we got some of these dots, and if you were trading it manually and just taking a breakout, if price moved lower after one of these pink dots, had a nice move there. These two signals, price never moved below the trigger candle, so we wouldn't have got into either of those. But 5 minutes to 11, we had price move below this signal candle, came down to the 8 EMA. That's over a 20-point move right there. And he's also got certain time frames that he only trades this. Definitely want to check out his channel if you're interested in learning more about the exact details. I'm a big fan of making up my own details too, big part of the fun. Here's the 15-minute chart. There's a 30-point move down after this signal if you're trading it manually with the breakout method. Like this signal didn't work out very well, but this one right at 10 o'clock, that was a nice one. Then I'm not sure how late he's trading. I'm definitely not trading during the lunch hour. Here's a 500 volume chart, getting some nice green arrows there. Got a nice green arrow official signal right there too. And if you added this official signal in combination with a breakout above the trigger candle, price never went above this trigger candle and price never went below this trigger candle here, so would have kept us out of both of those trades. I know he doesn't use this on a 500 volume chart, I think just the 15-minute chart, but it's fun playing around to see if you can find any other ways to use certain strategies. So that's how you code it using Markers Plus to make these signals. Markers Plus is a very handy tool. I use it all the time to help me visualize a lot of my different trading ideas, and also if I want to try out other people's trading ideas. There's links in the description. You can learn more about Markers Plus. There's also a coupon code you can use for a discount. If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching.